If you like a sweet, savory, and spicy flavor combo, you're going to love this tofu wrap with spicy apricot sauce. The flavors are wrapped with fresh veggies and soft tofu for a delicious quick meal. First up, whisk together apricot preserves, vinegar, soy sauce, sriracha, ginger, salt, and red pepper flakes in a medium-sized bowl. Taste and adjust the heat, sweetness, and tangy levels. Cut the tofu into strips or cubes. Add the tofu to the apricot sauce and mix gently so the tofu does not break apart. If you want a saucier tofu, you can make a double batch of the sauce. Heat a large pan over medium heat. Add the tofu mixture and sauté for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the tofu is caramelized and golden brown. Before assembling the wraps, warm the tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds until soft and pliable. Then layer the fresh veggies down the center of each tortilla. Add in any extra sauce if you want. Fold in the sides. Then roll it up tightly like a burrito and slice in half if desired. And there you have it. Tender tofu meets a sweet and spicy apricot glaze for big flavor in about 20 minutes. It's the perfect, effortless meal for busy days. Ideal for lunchboxes, picnics, and meal prep. Visit nutsandtwigs.com for more details.